Yeah, Uguta. Uguta. If you come to cocoyam, there are different types of cocoyam. What we call this one is Uguta. I'm in the village, I know Ibon shot in a village. We wives in the village, neighbor Aquanobi. That's the culture. This I'm eating here is one of my native food. Okana food. You can use red oil and very good onion, but you know onion na queen now. So onion is queen now. There is no onion, so I'm using soup. The thing na top. If you want to eat, join me in Okana. Ewo. I so much like village because for village, you go chop tire. You must see one thing you get, you know, na village. Hey, if you know that you are still in city, Nataba Okana, I will finish everything here. Oh. Hey! Ọtọgbuola m Okana tọgbuola m. I don't know if your own community dey sweet you, my own dey sweet me. I don't know wetin I go tell my God on the last day if I'm not from Okana. I don't know if your own community dey sweet you the way Okana dey sweet me. Okana dey enter me like Uguta bye. Okana ogwebene Uguta bye. Thank you for watching. Share this video before you start coming back. Thank you. Bye.